So we're going to be cleaning this client's patio. We're going to be soft washing it to kill all the organic material, and then we're going to use our Doff steam cleaner to get rid of all the black spot and to make it look brand new. So here we are, the finished results. So it's all been soft washed, Doff steam cleaned, and we did a post treatment on this as well to make sure the results last a long time. So the surface is sanitised, so you could even eat your dinner off it if you so desired. So if you want the best cleaning, give us a call on 0800 970 6875 or email premiersoftwashing.com, or you can just click the link below.